What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back today with the kind of impromptu video. Last minute, PBIR decided to open up, which is super sick. We're gonna be doing an autocross event today. COVID shut everything down, then they got special permission since we're doing special rules, hence why you see me with a face mask, and why when we go inside, you're gonna see everybody with a face mask the whole time. So it's kind of no jokes, no spectators, none of that. It's just all business and only drivers and just fun. We've done a lot to the car, obviously, as you've seen in the past videos. So we're gonna be testing a whole bunch of things today to see if they work out. If you saw the coilover video, you probably know I'm pretty disappointed right now in my coilovers performance and just overall that first outing with it. Since then, I've adjusted the coilovers in the front to be much stiffer, which I believe has tightened it up and given me the feeling that I wanted in the front. It's gonna be fun. We'll get back to it once we are a little more down the line with getting on track. Hey guys, right out the box here, I'm used to trying to chill out and really take my time. I think I'm gonna try to essentially push the limits right out the gate. Talking about. I don't know if you could tell from my excitement there, but that felt really good. It was understeering just a little bit, so we're gonna make it just like a click or two stiffer in the rear. So something I didn't mention, which I definitely want to mention before we get too far in this video, and I completely forget. There was a super nice dude who came up earlier. I'm sorry, I don't even know if I asked your name or anything, but came over, he had watched my videos, and he said the reason why he's out here is because he saw my videos and he saw that clip of when I'm talking about the minivan and how, like, okay, you have no excuses if this minivan is out here. And it was cool because, like, it actually convinced him to come out and do autocross. So, like, that is so sick. Thank you so much for coming over, because that's what makes YouTube and me doing all this shit so worth it. Is like, that's so cool that I kind of help somebody move into the sport and kind of get their feet wet into how fun all this shit is, because I have a blast. And, like, why are you gonna let everybody else have a blast every weekend and then you just go to lame ass car shows? Like, come out here and do some real shit. This is fun. I'm interested to see what that time was, because that was stupid. Huh? 51. Hey, sir, you can't be over there. Sorry. Good. Thank you, Mariano. Daddy curve right there, baby. Never driven this hard at this track. Alright guys, it is session 2. Temperatures have come down quite a bit. It's kind of cooling off right now, sunset, etc. And I'm playing copyright music. But anyways, we're gonna go hard again. Just right out the gate, blast at it. I set my suspension back to what it was, and tire pressure should be at a good place too. Should be. Felt good.
I wanted to know if you wanted to do something cinematic with the flag, but I'm gonna send you this time.
Give me a cinematic.
Alright, something like this, and then I raise it over.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoosh. Guy is like, yeah, nice. He keeps giving me like a little head nod. He's like, yeah, dude, thank God, I'm doing a good job. I've ever driven this car this hard.
Ryan Little.
right, guys, we are all set with today's race, and I finally beat Michael. Where are you? There you are. Okay, yeah, it's hard to do it. So this is Michael, who I promised to introduce. We've been beefing and battling for quite a while right now. Tonight was that fateful night where it finally happened, and I finally didn't take the L.
All the hard work paid off.
All the hard, well, I can't say it's hard work. I just bolted shit on and it happened. But yeah, good times tonight. Really fun. Everybody came out. Tons and tons of people. So lots of 86. Logan is here too. So that's gonna be it. I will bounce out with an outro of the cars, and that's gonna be all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.
Thank you.